High above the Earth, a symphony of light unfolds. The northern lights, a celestial ballet, dance across the night sky. Shimmering curtains of green and blue ripple and flow. It is a breathtaking spectacle, a magical display of nature's artistry. The first glimpse is always mesmerizing. A soft glow appears on the horizon, gradually intensifying into vibrant hues. Then, the sky erupts in a dazzling display of light and color. It is a sight that leaves you breathless, a moment etched forever in memory. This celestial display, also known as the Aurora Borealis, is a result of a fascinating interplay between the sun and the earth. The phenomenon has captivated humans for centuries, inspiring countless myths and legends. But what exactly causes these stunning light shows in the sky? The sun constantly emits charged particles, known as the solar wind. These particles travel through space at incredible speeds, sometimes reaching up to 900 kilometers per second. When the solar wind reaches Earth, it encounters the planet's magnetic field, which acts as a protective shield. When these particles collide with the Earth's magnetic field, they are drawn towards the poles. This is because the magnetic field lines converge at the poles, creating a funnel-like effect that directs the particles into the upper atmosphere. Upon entering the Earth's atmosphere, these charged particles interact with oxygen and nitrogen atoms. The type of gas and the altitude at which the interaction occurs determine the colors of the aurora. For instance, oxygen at higher altitudes produces red auroras, while at lower altitudes it produces green. This interaction excites the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light. The process is similar to how neon lights work, where electricity excites gas atoms to produce light. The result is a dazzling array of colors that dance across the sky. This light is what we perceive as the mesmerizing colors of the aurora. The beauty of the aurora is not just in its colors, but also in its movement. The lights can appear as arcs, curtains, or spirals, constantly shifting and changing, making each display unique and awe-inspiring. Traditionally, witnessing the northern lights involved braving the cold Arctic nights. Today, drone technology allows us to experience this spectacle from a completely new perspective. Drones equipped with high-definition cameras soar above the landscape, capturing the aurora's dance in all its glory. The footage is simply breathtaking. We can now witness the aurora's intricate details, the ripples and waves of light from a vantage point previously unimaginable. The drone's ability to navigate challenging terrain and weather conditions further enhances the viewing experience. Drones provide more than just stunning visuals. They're also valuable tools for scientific research. Scientists can use drones to study the aurora's behavior and gather data from the Earth's upper atmosphere. This data helps us understand the complex relationship between the sun and our planet. Furthermore, drones allow us to share the beauty of the northern lights with a wider audience. People who may never have the opportunity to travel to the Arctic can now experience this natural wonder through the lens of a drone. Section 5. The Arctic Night Awakens. As the Arctic night descends, the sky transforms into a vast canvas. Stars twinkle brightly, casting an ethereal glow on the snow-covered landscape. The air is crisp and cold, the silence broken only by the gentle whisper of the wind. And then the show begins. A faint green glow appears on the horizon, like a whisper of color in the darkness. Slowly it intensifies, spreading across the sky like a celestial wave. The aurora has awakened. Section 6. Dancing with the Stars. The northern lights are never the same twice. Each time you witness them, it's like seeing a brand new performance, choreographed by nature itself. The lights dance across the sky, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates anyone lucky enough to see it. The unpredictability of the Aurora Borealis is part of its magic, making every sighting a unique experience. Each display is unique, a fleeting masterpiece of nature. The shapes and patterns formed by the lights can range from delicate wisps to bold, sweeping arcs. No two displays are ever identical, and this ephemeral quality adds to the allure of the northern lights. It's as if the sky itself is an artist, painting with light and color. Sometimes the aurora appears as shimmering curtains of light, gently swaying in the breeze. These delicate displays can be incredibly soothing to watch as the lights move gracefully across the sky. The gentle motion of the lights can evoke a sense of calm and wonder, making it a truly magical experience. Other times it erupts in a frenzy of activity with rays and arcs of light dancing across the sky. These more dynamic displays can be exhilarating to witness as the lights seem to pulse with energy. The sky becomes a stage for a dramatic performance, with the Aurora Borealis as the star of the show. The colors, too, are ever-changing. The northern lights can shift from one hue to another in a matter of moments, creating a constantly evolving spectacle. This kaleidoscope of colors adds another layer of beauty to the Aurora Borealis, making it a truly unforgettable sight. Green is the most common color, but the aurora can also appear in shades of blue, red, purple, and even white. Each color is produced by different gases in the Earth's atmosphere, reacting to the solar wind. This variety of colors makes each display unique and adds to the overall wonder of the northern lights. The intensity and movement of the lights are influenced by solar activity, making each display a unique spectacle. Solar flares and storms send charged particles towards Earth, where they interact with the atmosphere to create the aurora. This connection to the sun adds a cosmic dimension to the northern lights, reminding us of the vast and interconnected nature of our universe. Section 7. The colors of the aurora. The colors of the northern lights result from the interaction of charged particles with different gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Green, the most common color, is produced by the collision of charged particles with oxygen at lower altitudes. Red and blue hues are produced by collisions with nitrogen. Purple and white are less common and occur when the solar activity is particularly intense. The interplay of these colors creates the mesmerizing tapestry of the aurora. Section 8. Our responsibility. The northern lights are a reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. As we marvel at this natural wonder, it is also a call to action. Climate change poses a significant threat to our planet, and it is our responsibility to protect the environment for future generations. By reducing our carbon footprint and supporting sustainable practices, we can help preserve the beauty of the northern lights and countless other natural wonders for years to come. Section 9. A final thought. As the northern lights fade into the dawn, they leave behind a sense of wonder and awe. These ethereal lights dancing across the sky are not just a visual spectacle, but a profound reminder of the mysteries that our world holds. Each flicker and wave of light tells a story of the cosmos, of particles colliding and creating beauty in the most unexpected places. It is a reminder of the power and beauty of the natural world, a world that is both fragile and resilient. The northern lights, with their vibrant hues and mesmerizing patterns, showcase the delicate balance of nature. They remind us that while the world is capable of creating such breathtaking phenomena, it's also vulnerable to the actions of humanity, a world that we are a part of and have a responsibility to protect. Our planet, with its diverse ecosystems and incredible natural wonders, is a treasure that we must cherish. The northern lights serve as a beacon, urging us to take action to preserve the beauty that surrounds us. They inspire us to be mindful of our impact on the environment and to strive for a sustainable future. Let the memory of this celestial dance inspire us to cherish and safeguard our planet. The northern lights, a symphony of light and color, are a testament to the intricate workings of our universe. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all things, of how the actions we take can ripple through the environment and affect the world in ways we may not immediately see. A symphony of light and color, a display that transcends the ordinary and touches the soul. The Northern Lights are more than just a natural phenomenon. They are a symbol of the beauty and complexity of our world. They encourage us to look beyond the mundane and to appreciate the extraordinary. A testament to the intricate workings of our universe, a universe that is vast and full of wonders. The Northern Lights are a reminder that there is so much more to discover and understand. They invite us to explore, to learn, and to be curious about the world around us. Beckon us to appreciate the extraordinary world we live in. They call us to action, to protect and preserve the natural beauty that is all around us. Let us be inspired by the Northern Lights to live in harmony with nature, to respect the environment, and to ensure that future generations can also experience the wonder of this celestial dance.